Where they breed us, men got the masses, the greed of beautiful dominant African features. I love her and a passion for freedom. I promise to have her and keep her a teacher. Oye chiquita, quiero hablar contigo, tocar tu ombligo y machacar contigo. I'm going crazy, I'll stop being as she gracefully whispered in my ear. How long would it take me to get a whole family to safety? She said they were deported back in the 80s. She knew some black magic and Haiti to save me. The way she moved her hips just amazed me. Oye, Wahida, so nice to meet you. Next time I see you, we can roll some weed. Imagine me to have a share the same musical taste. Reminiscing when I met her at the Copacabana. Had me unstable, crazy, going local bananas. Long legs, brown hair, I swear she came with a halo. Her sensuality had her looking even better than J-Lo. Puerto Rican, Cuban, mommy had me going berserk. Went all the way to one town, I'm on search of her skirt. Mother of two, she works out, she's so gorgeous. Brother's true, no doubt, she's flawless. I love the drug, she was getting me, yo. Kinda bug when she couldn't stop telling me no. I got addicted, cause of course I was lacking the money. Addicted when she went back to her country. On vacation to the city, now she leaving my world. Now I feel pity for pity, I be needing a girl.
I za kraj plesni klubovi Smedereva su za svoj grad spremili jedno specijalno iznenađenje.